What's up? Nannu adugutunna what's up ani. The nation wants to know who, where, how, when, what.
And she said yes.
And she said yes. Idigo Kanye West laga ee roju naaku answer ichavu anko. Yes, maybe, probably ani. It won't be nice. We want detailed.
What did you do?
Okay, let's start. ఎక్కడ కలిసావు అమ్మాయిని అంటే నాకు తెలిసినట్టు నేను చెప్పట్లేదు. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు బేసిక్స్. ఓకే, సో
సారీ, ఇప్పుడు నీకు తెలిసిన మ్యాటర్ లాగా చెప్పకూడదు కదా.
నాకు తెలియదేమి.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి తెలుసు అంటే అశ్రిత క్లాస్మేట్. సో
Can you hear me?
Sorry, I lost you for a few seconds, but yeah, go on.
Yeah. You said she's Ashrita's classmate. Ashrita ఎవరు అంటే వెంకటేష్ బాబు's older daughter. So అప్పటి నుంచి మనకందరికీ తెలుసు. But when did that రానా చూపు ఎప్పుడు పడింది?
Just pre-lockdown.
So it's very new. Very new. Ante
very new, but a person I know very well, so that's good.
Very long too, for a long time.
For a long time, so it's
Rana,
easy.
you broke a lot of not only women's hearts but men's hearts also. Men thought you're the post. అంటే వాళ్ళు పోస్టర్ చాలు అనుకున్నారు. రానా కూడా మాకెందుకు రానా ఉన్నాడు కదా నిన్ను చూపించుకుంటా ఉన్నారు అందరూ. ఇప్పుడు
ఒక ఏజ్ దాటిన తర్వాత అది పెద్ద పోస్టర్ లో పెట్టుకోవాల్సిన విషయం కాదు ఇది.
అవునా? అంతే అంటావా?
పోస్టర్ మారాలి.
పోస్టర్లు మారారు. I mean, it came as a shock because it wasn't like, especially because మిహికా కాబట్టి అనుకున్న పేర్లు ఏమీ కాకుండా ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది పేరు అని షాక్ తిన్నారు కొంతమంది.
చూడు, మన ఇంటి పక్కనే ఉంటది.
అవును. And everything worked out. So what made you decide? You've seen a lot of girls, you've seen a lot of beautiful girls. What made you decide that she's the one and she has that to be your wife?
Well, if it's the first time I thought I should do it so quickly, that means she did something, no?
Yeah, so, what did she do? That is what was that?
When things are good, I don't ask too many questions. That's how నేను అలా ఫాలో అవుతాను లైఫ్ లో. మంచి పనులు జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్లు లెక్కలేయకూడదు. అలా ఫ్లో వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. సో అలా ఫ్లోలో వెళ్ళిపోయాను అంతే.
Wow. How was your parents' reaction? Did they see something coming or were they like, what happened?
Ante what happened?
Especially Lakshmi auntie ani. They didn't even ask about your dad. People on Twitter said, what was Lakshmi auntie's reaction? I don't know why they thought your mom's reaction.
Ante shock తో కూడిన happiness.
Yeah.
And దాని తర్వాత షాక్ డిసపియర్ అయిపోయి it only was happiness after that.
Oh. And daddy?
Same. Their reaction ఒకటే. So it's from shock to joy.
And you didn't, was it like something that you expected or were they very, very easy to go? Or
something that they wanted.
But they didn't know how to ask.
Yeah. There's something, I mean, అంటే they'll seed చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అప్పుడప్పుడు. So it kept happening, but no, they're very, very happy.
And your engagement is also done. But పెళ్ళైనా చెప్పి చేసుకుంటావా ఇలాగే ఫోటోలు పంపిస్తావా?
పంపించేస్తారు. అంటే తెలియదు ప్రపంచం పరిస్థితి బేస్ అయ్యి. Well, in times like this, I found the strangest time to get married, I think.
You did. I mean, strangest things antar judu. The only good news of 2020 for me is you getting married, Rana. Really. What a joy. I wanted to start it off with this, that you're such an incredible human being and you're there for everybody as a friend, kashtam lo, nashtam lo, happiness lo. And we always wanted the best for you, you know. And when you said Mihika, I was like, what? Amazing. So I want you to have the best of everything that love has to offer and the world has to offer.
Thank you.
Fully for you.
Thank you.
So tell me the 3 things that Mihika has that really is endearing to you. 3 qualities of hers.
అబ్బో ఇలా అయితే ఆలోచించాలగా.
ఆలోచన అందుకే నాకు తెలుసు. నువ్వు నాకు 1 minute లో చెప్పాను ఈ లవ్ స్టోరీ. అది అందరికి చెప్పలేను కదా. నేను
నీకు ఎంతసేపు చెప్పాను? 1 minute.
అంటే నా షాక్ 10 minutes పట్టింది.
నువ్వు రికవర్ అవ్వలేదు, నేను వెళ్ళిపోయాను
నేను
అప్పటికి చెప్పేసి.
వెళ్ళిపోయావు కూడా చెప్పేసి నాకు ఇంకా నేను తట్టుకోలేక నిజం కాదా అని ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు టెల్ ప్రకాష్, నేను ఎవరికో ఒకరికి చెప్పాలి. ప్రకాష్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ రియాక్షన్, ఓ గుడ్, దట్స్ కూల్ అంట.
It's good, it's cool.
No, but Rana, your attitude is like that, good and cool. You always give me crap about why do you dwell in something so much, you know?
Yeah,
You
sure.
know so much, move on. How did you get there? I know last year was a long year for you. You spent a lot of time in the US, lot with yourself. At one point, you were calling me saying, I think I'm going to move to LA. But but I know that place does that to everybody who goes there. But what was it for you that when you spend so much time, I know you read a lot, that came to a point where you said, okay, I'm ready to find that person to move on?
Well, it's the
And
person
create-
that will make you do that, no? I don't know if it was as much me or as much the person. So I think you'll meet the right person and good things happen and you say, go ahead, do this.
Wow, ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు తెలిసింది కానీ నువ్వు ఆ యాంగిల్లో చూడలా మీకు.
This.
సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఆస్క్? ఏయ్ చెప్పు, మాకేం మసాలా ఇవ్వట్లేదు నేను. షీ సెడ్ yes అంటే హౌ డిడ్ షీ సే yes? Did you go on your knees? Did you?
మా పేరెంట్స్ లాగే షాక్ తో తర్వాత జాయ్ లో. ఫస్ట్ షాక్ లో ఎస్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత దానికి అదే జాయ్ వచ్చింది తనకు కూడా.
అవునా? So did you ask her on the phone or in person? What did you like?
She knew where I was getting at on the phone and she met me in person and then that's it.
Casual ga, will you marry me? Anava, what do you think? Anava, what were your words out of your mouth, Rana? Do you remember? Maybe I should have done this interview with Mihika. She would have given
Yeah,
me
yeah.
more, I think.
Good. అంటే I said a bunch of things together.
చెప్పు Rana.
అదే ఆలోచిస్తున్నా ఏం చెప్పాను గుర్తురాట్లేదు ఇప్పుడు సడన్ టక్కున ఏం చెప్పినా. Nothing. See, for me it was commitment. No, it's like, see, and also you know me enough. It's the first time I
Yes.
chose to commit at first shot straight up.
Yeah.
And then there you go. And I think it's when I met her, I said, I think that's the time in my life I'm ready to do this. And
Wow.
it was actually as simple. Nizanga, it was actually that simple. So when, like you said, no, like I said, good things happen, don't question them.
So it was the spark, like something happened.
Yeah, it was.
కలిసినప్పుడు ఏదో అనిపిస్తుంది
100%.
అంటారు చూడు.
100%.
Ah. Oh, Mihika did that to you. They were all like, where did she come from? So how did you handle did your ex-girlfriends find out about it, or you called them, or how did that go down? Because, you know, the world was...
Everyone, like I think I got like pouring messages from friends, like everybody. I think everybody was just happy.
And you handled all situations very well. Nobody was like, how, why not me? I've been waiting for you.
No, ఎవరు అలా ఎవరు అనలేదు.
అలా ఎవరు అనలేదా? హ్యాపీగా నేను బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ తోటి.
Blessings తోటి.
Are you
Finally.
nervous? Are you? Oh, finally. Were you nervous, or there was no sense of, like, you didn't feel nothing? You were very casual.
I was very
You know,
casual and simple about it.
I knew Andy for 7 years before I married him. Okay, Maku Gauri Pujki Kobarka Ichi, they'll make you walk inside. First, when the bride comes in. So when you have to do that puja with that tenkai, I was looking Kobarka. I was looking, where are the exit signs? Where can I run off? Should I drop the coconut or run, or chair gatkonetkan run now? Like, I was really nervous. I was like, why am I doing this? My life is so perfect, honey. So alanti భయాలు, టెన్షన్.
I think అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎర్లీగా చేసుకుంటే అయి ఉండేదేమో అలాంటివన్నీ. I guess ఇంకా we've grown up enough, seen enough. I think it's the right time, no? So nothing అసలు nervous అనేది that అసలు ఆ thought నువ్వు చెప్పారు కదా రాదు. Nothing.
So cool గా you did
simple.
కట్టే కొట్టే తెచ్చే, like life లో ఎలా, okay, I think this girl, she did something, I think she'll be a great wife. Yeah.
Yeah.
What, you couldn't find one Telugu girl, you had to go all the way to the north.
And it's funny.
You know how many Telugu girls are heartbroken right now? Like, they're crying. They've stopped eating for a week now.
అంటే ఇక్కడ మన ఇక్కడ జూబ్లీస్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో
Easy
ఆల్మోస్ట్ హైదరాబాద్. అంటే షీస్
So,
లివ్డ్ హియర్ ఆల్ హర్ లైఫ్. షీస్
Does
కంప్లీట్
she speak
హైదరాబాద్.
Telugu?
యా. అంటే కొంచెం అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా మాట్లాడదు, బట్ మాట్లాడదు.
ఇంట్లో నాన్నంతో మాట్లాడే, డీల్ చేసే.
అంటే హైదరాబాద్, షీ గ్రూ అప్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ ఆల్ హర్ లైఫ్. సో pretty much.
What does she do?
She has an event company called Dewdrop Design. She does events. She has a gifting company and stuff like that. So she's into fine, nice things.
Oh, so she'll put your house together beautifully.